Hello, everyone. Okay, so let's begin today's topic that is our people's initiatives of our chapter number 9, class 8 history, that is chapter number 9, the making of nationalism. All right, so let's begin. First of all, in this, what are we going to study about it? It's just about how in different parts of India, people began to get a part in this non-cooperation movement. Okay, so let's begin. So basically, people from all parts from India raising their voices against their issues caused by British, and without never visiting Gandhiji and knowing his ideas, people were protesting violently as well as non-violently. Some of them were protesting violently, and some were protesting non-violently, as their wish. But they used to say that their violent campaigns are a part of non-cooperation movement. Okay, they used to say that this is a part of Satyagraha, Gandhiji Satyagraha, and this is a Asahayog Andolan. They are doing Asahayog Andolan by being violently, by doing violence, by spreading violence. So this is not the Gandhiji's idea. His basic idea was what? Ahimsa. Okay, his basic idea was ahimsa, which means non-violence. All right. So, but still, people were doing whatever they want to do on the behalf of, on giving it just a name of Asahayog Andolan. Now, in different parts, different people did this. So let's get to the map of India where I can show you that how it happened. Okay, here you can see the map of India. So first, let me get to you to the Kheda Gujarat portion. Here, this is our Gujarat. So in this area, what happened in Kheda Gujarat, Patidar, both all these places lies in the same region of this Gujarat region. Okay, peasants of this region demanded high land revenue. They wanted high land revenues should be decreased, and they were non-violently. They were doing all the protests non-violently and following Gandhiji's way, and protesting and for the demand of high land revenues should be decreased, and land revenues should be decreased. Okay, now let's get to the next portion of India, in which now let me get you to the south of India. So this is the south of India, and in the earlier times this whole region was considered as the Andhra Pradesh, okay? And in this region, in this particular region, the coastal Andhra, the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh and the inner Tamil Nadu. Now this area we got, and the inner Tamil Nadu. This is our Tamil Nadu, right? And this inner portion of Tamil Nadu, in both these places, what happened in both of these places? The liquor shops were picketed. Okay, just because of in this andolan, again their peasants, these places peasants picketed the liquor shops. Now what are these liquor shops? First of all, so liquor shop, its meaning is basically what? The sharab ki dukanein, or you can say the shops where the drinks are available, all kinds of drinks are available, soda, alcohol, all of that. So these are known as liquor shops. So liquor shops were picketed means to just like on your screen you can see here there are some people sitting after shops, and they have just picketed the shops. Don't cross the picket line, don't cross the picket line. These posters you can see here all over this in this photo. So basically these people have blocked the shops, and they are saying don't go in the shop. First follow our demand, first do our demands, first work on our demands, and what are we demanding? Get us that. Okay, so that is what happened in Andhra Pradesh, in coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now again, let's come to Andhra Pradesh. In particularly in this Andhra Pradesh, Gantur was a district. Okay, Gantur was a district. So in this district, what happened? In this district of Andhra Pradesh, the tribals, the poor, peasants, all of them, they all became a part of Forest Satyagraha. Okay, they became a part of Forest Satyagraha. Here you can see the image of Forest Satyagraha. Their peasants and tribals and all of them became the part of Forest Satyagraha, because and in this Satyagraha what they did, sometimes they sometimes also went to allow their animals to graze in to send their cattle to graze in the forests without paying the grazing fee of Britishers. Okay, so why? Because they got why were they doing this forest satyagraha? Because they got restricted in forest use. Okay, their forest uses were limitized. They were not allowed to have something. If they want their animals to even graze in the forest, they have to take permissions, they have to pay the fees, they have to pay the money to Britishers. So they don't want that to be done, so they were against of this. That is why. And in this case, they wanted Gandhiji to abolish these restrictions and taxes on forest. Okay, and they believed in Gandhiji that they would get this reduced and they will make their living conditions better. In many forest villages, peasants also proclaimed Swaraj. Okay, some forest people claim that Gandhi Raj is going to be established soon, and Gandhi Raj was given particularly. Now here comes the Sindh, okay, the Sindh of Pakistan, which is currently in Pakistan. So this particular region was known as Sindh, okay. So this Sindh, what happened in Sindh? In Sindh, Muslim traders and peasants were a part of Khilafat agitation, okay. So as we have studied in the earlier videos on my channel of Historia, you can see that on Khilafat agitation, Muslim traders and peasants who were the part of Khilafat agitation were also living here, were being here, and they became a part of Khilafat agitation as well, plus also strengthening this national movement because they were a part of a nation at that time, right? Pakistan, at that time, India was this whole region, all of that. India was even Bangladesh, all of these countries were there. So, this all was known as India. Okay? Now, not even this whole, I again skipped Pakistan. Okay? So, this whole was known as India. So, that is why they also strengthened the national movement. Now, let's get to the Bengal portion, West Bengal. So, at that time, Bengal was this whole region, okay, and it was a very big province. So in this big province, Khilafat agitation people were also there, which gave strength to the national movement again. Okay, now let's get to the next part of this country where this strengthening of national movement was happening. That was our Punjab. That was what? Our Punjab. Okay, so in Punjab, basically Akali movement happened. Which movement? Akali movement. In Akali movement, people raised their voices against Mahants. Okay, who were Mahants now? Mahants were the people. Here you can see religious functionaries of Sikh gurdwaras. Okay, so basically you can say that if we take pandits in our mandirs and father in the churches, so we can say that Mahants were those people of gurdwaras. Okay, and in Punjab, a Kali agitation of Sikh people did this. Sikhs is a community in Punjab who did this movement, and in this movement they were against of the corrupted Mahants, and they wanted to remove these corrupted Mahants. Okay, so this was about Akali movement in Akali agitation in Punjab. Now again, let's come to India and another part of country, that is our Assam. Okay, that is our which country? That is our Assam. So in Assam now what happened? So in this area is the state is Assam. So in this area, tea garden laborers demanded big hike in their wages, and they wanted to bet their working conditions should be better and their working hours should be decreased as well. They boycott everything from British. They boycott everything. They also became the part of this national movement, non-cooperation movement. So they also became a part of this movement and sang uh, Vaishnava songs for to their enthusiasm, to maintain their enthusiasm among their people, among Assamese, so that they could continue this non-cooperation movement by their side. So these were the tea garden laborers who used to sing Assamese Vaishnava, in which they mentioned Gandhiji in the place of in the place of in place of Krishna ji. Krishna is a Hindu lord. So Krishna ji, they used to put Gandhi. They mention the term Gandhi in the Assamese Vaishnava song. In the place of Krishna, they used to put Gandhi, and they used to enchant Gandhi Maharaj ki jai. Okay, so this was all in this paragraph. I hope you got it. And if you have any kind of question, please mention in the comment section. I'll definitely answer. And also, if you have any kind of doubt, anything, please mention in the comment section. And also for the next further videos, to see the next further videos first. So please subscribe the channel. And also, if you like it, like it. Dislike it, dislike it. Bye. Have a good day.